Patience is one of the most important characteristics on the road to self-mastery. No matter what it is you want to achieve, you need to master patience. I know I grew up and I was the most impatient person in the world, from waiting in line to waiting for a reply to waiting for my goal to be accomplished to anything. I hated to wait for anything, but unfortunately, we always need to wait because reality is a delayed manifestation. So patience is one of the most important things that you can develop. So in today's video, I'm going to be telling you guys my 3 tips that transform me from being impatient to actually enjoying the process of patience. If you want to learn how to master patience and therefore master yourself and therefore master reality, then go ahead and keep on watching. My first tip to master patience is to shift your mindset. Usually when you're being impatient, it's because you expect something or you think something should be happening, but instead something else is happening. For example, you're waiting in line, you feel like you should be out the door already. Or if you're waiting for a reply, you feel like they should reply already. You need to understand that reality is a delayed manifestation. No matter what it is, you're always manifesting, but everything is delayed because whatever you're thinking right now, whatever you're feeling right now as a frequency is going to come through later. Perhaps later today, perhaps tomorrow, but it will come through later because there is no instant manifestation. Like there is internally, but outside on the physical realm, it is delayed. So therefore, you need to master patience. And you need to understand that the more you think about something like being impatient, that literally lowers your frequency and makes you think that the things are not happening when they actually are. So if you are impatient, you literally need to tell yourself, reality is a delayed manifestation. Everything is happening, just not right now, but it's actually all happening behind the scenes. And shift your mindset to just enjoy the present moment and be grateful that everything is happening because it will happen. You just need to be patient. So shifting your mindset and giving yourself that conviction that it's coming is going to allow you to be more patient. My second tip is to breathe. Like our physical body, our ego is the one that is like craving things to happen instantly, literally. So whenever you're feeling impatient, just breathe. It's literally practice taking deep breaths. And also I suggest like breathing in like 4 counts and then exhaling 7 counts, or breathing in less counts than you exhale, because when you exhale for longer, it's literally proven, scientifically proven, to reduce your heart rate and also reduce cortisol levels and also just increase your emotional discipline and mastery because you're literally grounding into the present moment. So if you're ever feeling impatient, practice breathing. Literally yoga, I don't know what they're called, yogis, their whole entire life is revolved around breathing and the power of breathing. And that is such a beautiful art form, and it's actually scientifically proven. So if you're ever feeling impatient, just breathe. And finally, my third tip that took me from being the most impatient girl in the world to enjoying the process of patience was practicing delayed gratification. Because we live on this 3D realm, we are in this human body, and our human body is controlled by our ego, which loves instant gratification. If you're hungry, your human body just wants to eat right now. If you're in line and you need to do something, your human body just wants to do this right now. Literally, impatience is an attribute of the ego because the human ego wants things right now. It wants instant gratification. So practicing delayed gratification will help you master your ego. And what I mean by practicing delayed gratification is like, if you want a snack, just make yourself wait 10 minutes randomly. Like just be like, I'm gonna wait 10 minutes and then I'll get the snack. When you wake up in the morning, make yourself not check your phone for like the first 30 minutes. Literally, when you're working out, force yourself to do something like for 5 minutes, or, like it's like these things and like forcing your ego to listen to you, because when you don't eat the snack within instantly, you're literally telling your body like, no, I'm the one in control. I decide when we eat. And so like that literally helps you master your ego. So practice delayed gratification, and I promise you patience will come so much easier. And these 3 things, literally, they're super simple. It's like mostly a mindset shift, and they took me from being the most impatient girl in the world to being super patient. And the most ironic thing is that when you are patient, because you are living in this calm, serene state of just like being grateful for the present moment and just very grounded into the now, things are going to come faster. Like it's crazy, but like once you stop wishing for things to come, once you let go and let God, literally everything will just come. And you'll be like, oh my gosh, like I was literally so, but when you're like impatient and you're like in these feelings of like worry, stress and things, the things can't come because you're not in the frequency of alignment to them. So you literally letting go and just practicing patience is key to receiving everything you want in life. And this is why patience is such an important characteristic to the road of self-mastery and therefore reality creation. So yes, practice these 3 things practice these 3 things and watch your life change. And I hope this video really helps you guys. I'm going to be launching a product very soon, which I'm very excited to talk about in one of my next videos. But for now, I'll catch you guys in my next video. Bye bye.